Hey everyone, Vinny here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, your go-to source for powerful, easy-to-use Excel tools. If you're looking for a delivery route planner that works right inside Excel, you found it. No need for expensive apps or complicated platforms, just a simple, streamlined solution to optimize your delivery routes with ease. Whether you manage a small team or run your own delivery service, this tool will help reduce drive time, lower fuel costs, and simplify your daily planning routine. We've been building Excel-based tools for over 16 years, and today, more than 7,500 businesses rely on our solutions. Our users consistently tell us how much time and frustration they save by using our software. With over 145-star reviews on Google, it's clear that professionals from all types of industries trust our tools to get the job done. What makes our delivery route planner unique is its smooth integration with the Google Maps API. First, you enter your starting point and final destination. These can be the same, like your office, or different, like your office and home. After that, just paste in your list of stops. You don't have to worry about the order. Our tool will automatically sort the stops to give you the most efficient route based on distance and driving time. Once we've done that, click on the Calculate Optimal Route button, and the tool gets to work. In just seconds, it generates a fully optimized route, complete with estimated travel times between stops, total trip duration, and mileage. Plus, you get a clickable Google Maps icon here that you can open for turn-by-turn directions, share with a driver, or send directly to a mobile device. This tool is perfect if you're looking to reduce manual planning, cut down on wasted fuel, and boost efficiency, all without needing to invest in another app or monthly subscription. It supports up to 23 stops per route in line with Google Maps API limits. And if your operations require more stops or custom features, we can build a tailored version that fits your exact needs. If you're ready to stop wasting time on manual planning and want to start using a smarter delivery route planner today, hit the link in the description to download the tool. And if you need help getting started, we offer real support. Call, email, or chat with us directly. No bots, no scripts. Just real people who are willing to assist you get started in making your workflow seamless. Thanks for watching, and if this sounds like something that could help you or your business, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel-based tools. Until next time, happy rooting!